Merry Christmas everyone, Happy New Year, advance Happy New Year. I have reflected on the Protestant doctrine of Sola Scriptura or Sola Biblia, and I have thought it over for years now, and I've discovered that it can be debunked in less than even a minute. The argument is very simple. If Sola Scriptura or Sola Biblia is true, then every apostle of the 12 apostles and all the Christian disciples in the first century during the time of the apostles should have at least read all of the 27 books of the New Testament. No, every apostle have not read any of the 27 books of the New Testament. For example, St. Peter has only read his own letters, 1st and 2nd Peter, and it is doubtful that he even read the other 25 books of the New Testament written by the other apostles and the other evangelists. And so also with St. James, St. John, St. Peter, St. Jude, St. Paul, and all the other 12 apostles. Thus, therefore, there is no such doctrine of Sola Scriptura, since the 27 books have not yet been canonized by the apostles during their time. So Sola Scriptura is again very impossible indeed, and cannot be held as true. It is a false dogma invented only by Mr. Martin Luther and the Reformers. Merry Christmas, advance Happy New Year, God bless.